Hello again. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own sound font. I'm going to create one from my bass. First thing I'm going to do is tune my bass. So I've just got the G tuner there, tune the G. There we go, tune the D, get it as close as I can. I won't spend too much time showing you that. Okay, then I'm going to record the notes. I'm going to record 17 notes from low E up to the high G, an octave above the open G string. I'm just going to record them all in one file, and when I've finished, that's what they look like. Top line is the first time. I did another version underneath. Then I'm going to open my recording in my external editor, and I'm using SoundForge. There it is. All the volumes look reasonably good. I'm going to zoom in, and the scroll wheel on the mouse is great for zooming in SoundForge. Pick a starting point. Just select that first note. Pick a nice end point where it fades out to nothing. Okay, now I'm going to copy that selection. I'm going to paste it to a new file. Just make sure the format's the same, otherwise you'll get funny noises. And mono, and okay, and paste. And there it is. So that's my first sample. And I'm just going to save that as into another folder. Just going to create a folder for all of these samples. Give it a name, fretless SF, E1, save. So I'll kind of rush through that. I'll show you again. We'll go to the second one, zoom in to a nice start point. Looks good. Find a nice end point. Just zoom in, check that it looks good. Yep. Okay, copy, create new. Make sure the format's correct. Paste, save as, F#1. Okay, so I'm going to go through and do that for all the notes. Now I'm going to open Vienna, 1N Vienna, and I'm going to start a new file. Okay, give it a name. Right-click Audio Samples, import audio samples, navigate to where they are. I'm just going to go Control-A for all of them. That's the benefit of having them all in one folder, and open them. Just pick the first one and click on this button, Calculate Frequency, MIDI Note and Correction. Click on the next button and it transfers all that data up into the dialog box here. Is it correct? Well, it's not really. Okay, that note isn't a G. So I'm just going to use the buttons there. It's an A. Update my sound font. Pick the next note, let's say B1. Okay, click on the button. It's supposed to be a B and it thinks it's that. So let's just scroll through to B. Looks good. There. Very, very handy to have a frequency table alongside you as well. Let's go to the C. Calculate. Transfer that data up there. Just change it to what you think it should be and update your sound font. Okay, at any time you should really go save and save what you're doing as an SF2. So go through and do every note. When you've done that, you then go back to the left-hand side, right-click New Instrument, and it'll bring up all of your samples as an instrument. Now you want to assign those samples to a key on the keyboard. Click on one, click on Suggest a Key Range, and then you can type in exactly where you want those samples to be. Okay. If you're not, and there it is, if you're not sure what the key numbers are, the good thing about this is that if you hover your cursor over a key, that bar at the top will give you all of the key number details. So you just select the note, suggest a range. See, if I hover it there, it says key 48, key 51, 53. It tells me what number the key is. Just there. Okay, 38. So I'm looking at a D, and I'm going to use that for the E flat as well. So I'm going to put in 38 and 39. Apply. Go through and do that with every note. And then when you've done that, you need to add a preset. Right-click preset, new preset, give it a name. This is my sliding samples, fretless sliding. Okay. Click new instrument, and OK that. And there it is. So now when I go into my sequencer, I'm going to just try it out in Cantabile. I've got SFZ plus loaded up. Navigate to my sound font. There it is, and it works. So I needed to do three things: tune my instrument, record my instrument, edit the samples as loops, basically, then create my sound font in Vienna, and then give it a try. That's good fun. What shall I do next? Got a ukulele. Bye now.